What if you could live in a perfect world? No pain, no failure, just endless happiness. All you have to do is press the button. This is the thought experiment of philosopher Robert Nozick, the experience machine. Imagine a machine that could simulate your perfect life. Fame, success, love, anything you desire, and it would feel completely real. In this world, nothing ever goes wrong. No heartbreak, no suffering, just pure, endless happiness. You wouldn't know it's fake. To you, it would be reality. But here's the question. If everything is fake, does any of it really matter? Nozick argued that most of us wouldn't press the button. Why? Because we don't just want pleasure. We want a life that is real. If we're just plugged into a machine, are we really living, or just experiencing an illusion? So, what matters more, happiness or reality? The choice is yours, a perfect life or a real one. What do you think? Comment below.